In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto to your PayPal account. First, open up your PayPal app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom and tap on the section labeled Finances. From there, select Crypto. Now, inside the crypto section, you'll see the different coins available on PayPal, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive in your PayPal account. For this example, let's select Bitcoin. Now, once you're inside Bitcoin, scroll down until you see the buy and sell option. Right next to the buy and sell option, there will be an arrow option. Tap on it. Now from here, you can choose to either send or receive Bitcoin. Tap on Receive, and you'll see your unique Bitcoin wallet address that PayPal provides. Copy that wallet address. The next step is to go to the external wallet or exchange where you're holding your Bitcoin. It could be Binance, Coinbase, SafePal, or any other wallet. For this example, I'm using Binance. From Binance, go to the bottom menu and tap on Wallet. Here you'll see your total balance and crypto holdings. From the list, tap on Bitcoin. After selecting Bitcoin, you'll see an option to withdraw. Tap on Withdraw, and now it's asking you to enter the Bitcoin address. Simply paste the address you just copied from PayPal. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. After that, the final step is to tap on Withdraw BTC. Once confirmed, the transaction will be sent, and shortly after, your Bitcoin will appear in your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you send crypto to your PayPal account. If you're looking to send crypto to your PayPal account, here's a way to cut down on conversion and transfer fees along the way. Wise can be a smart bridge when you need to move funds between platforms or convert currencies before topping up your PayPal balance. You get great exchange rates, low fees, and multi-currency accounts, making it easier to get the most value out of your crypto cash out. Right now, they have an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. Plus, Wise has a referral program where you can earn cash rewards. When you invite friends to create a free account and they make a qualifying transfer or spend with their Wise card, you get paid. It's an easy way to make some extra money alongside your crypto transactions. If you want to save on fees, move money more efficiently, and even earn rewards, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your $800 fee-free transfer today.